What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in, man. Just some food for thought. I'm at the bank right now. Making a little withdrawal. Got a couple things I got to do. And you know what I realized, man? When your money is in the bank, it's like, it's not your money. Because when things get critical and you got to take out a certain amount, they'll stop you from taking out a certain amount at the ATM. Not just saying like if you got to come through here and get some, but when the crisis go, you can only get $500, $300 at the ATM, and most people don't keep cash. And when you really need it, it's gonna come to a time where you got to be able to be the bank. You see what I'm saying? I think the bank is just good for certain things. You got the business transactions, but when it comes to your big portions of your finances, I think you should have your own safes and your own investment ways where you can be able to get your money when you need it. If you need 1,000, you need it now, or if you need 10 or whatever the situation is. Appreciate it, thank you. You know what I mean? So just keep that in mind, man. It's getting real out here. So I just thought about that today. Hold on.